Hello, in this video I will show how to use this KeyListener interface. KeyListener interface defines three different methods: key typed, key pressed, key released, and all of these three functions takes key event as argument. Whenever user presses key on the keyboard, that key event is fired. Now let's start coding. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, class key listener demo extends JFrame implements key listener. Okay, now let's write the text field. Create text field ZT. Okay, public key listener demo ZT is equal to new text field. Okay, let's specify the coordinate of this. Then now let's make flow layout as the layout of container. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, set layout, new flow layout, simple. Now let's add this control ZT to the container. Now let's add this listener to ZT, add key listener this. Now let's define those three methods: public void key typed, key event key. Key type, key pressed, then key released. Okay, now here I will use this option pane. Option pane dot show message this, then what? Okay. Okay, now this key object of key event can be used to know what character user have pressed in the text field. So that value user typed will be displayed in this message dialog box, and we are leaving these functions key pressed and key release empty. We don't need this. Now let's define public static void main. String, then object is new. Oh no, key listener demo semicolon. Okay, we created a text field. This class is implementing key listener. We have defined key typed, key pressed, key released. These are the functions. There is nothing within the body of this key pressed and key released. Just we have used this key typed method. Whenever users type something in the keyboard, there will be the message dialog box displaying the character that user has typed. Now let's compile this. Java C key. No. Yes. Java C key. Okay. What is the problem? Cannot find symbol. Oh, get character, not get key code. What is this? Key character. Okay. Okay, there's a big box here. Let's expand the size of this control. A. So B, V. Let's change the width of this thing. What is the flow out is null text field. Okay, it's fine. So in this way, let's recompile this. Okay, let's make the bounds. set bounds 20 comma 20 100 comma 30 and make this layout as null. Okay, now recompile this. Okay, now it's okay. Frame 0 is coming. Okay, A, you can see A here. A is there, B is there, C, you can see C in this dialog box. So in this way we can use this key listener event in the text field and know what character user has clicked. Okay, thank you for watching this video.